Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this fall box that I purchased myself from Decorated Home Decor. It delivers to your door, and I got this because not a lot of people like to go out shopping. There was once a time that I did not like to go out to the stores, and I feel like this may be another way that you can get some seasonal decor in your home. This has been sitting on my coffee table for a couple of weeks, and my daughter has been dying to open it. But I told her no, we are going to open it together. And I can't wait. I can't wait to open it up. So this is the fall box 2022. It comes in this sweet little box. It says curated on the other side. And then this side has my label, so I'm not going to show you that side. But if any of these products, if you like this box, then I will list a link below that you can get on their website and you can order. It is a subscription box based service, but you can cancel at any time. I just wanted to see what it was all about, and then hopefully, it can bring some value to you in case you don't like to go shopping and you want to decorate your home for fall. So let's get into this box. I am so excited. My daughter will be so happy that this box is finally open so she can see what's inside of it. It is taped well. Work smarter, not harder. All right, are you ready? You can peek first. What does it say? Welcome to fall. Oh, all right. I'm gonna stand up here. Comes with a little envelope. Let's see what's inside. Oh, this is cute little cards. Some stickers. And then welcome to fall. So my guess is some other things that you can buy. We'll look through this together later. I don't want any spoilers. And then of course a sticker. Let's see. Oh. Okay. Sign. A box sign. Oh. Just a little autumn sign. Put that there. Like we can do that. Okay. I see some greenery. Okay. Some greenery. Okay. Oh, we got some leaves. Next, oh, some pumpkins. Some plaid pumpkins. You can do this kind of thing. Set it right on in there. I'll get you close-ups on all this. Okay, so this is kind of a neat concept. On this side is more autumn based. And then on this side is the Halloween. So that's kind of neat. You know, two decor pieces in one. Oh, and it matches. Look how well it matches with the pumpkins. The Halloween side with these pumpkins. And then of course this side, obviously, because it's got the plaid and plaid, but another box. Hold on, I gotta take this off, it's starting to itch. Okay. Oh, okay. So these are little bits and pieces. A little tray, maybe. And then one more box and the empty box. I really like this box. This box is going to be a good thing to store some stuff in. If you like boxes to store stuff in, but wouldn't that be a nice box to kind of just pack some things away in? So let's open this. It's a tray. It's a tray that you put together. So we got two different kinds of trays. Shall we put it together? Comes broken down. Comes with these two poles. Oh, pretty self-explanatory. This is the top. And this is this part. Maybe just screw that on there. And then this hole goes threaded through that thread. There we go. That's pretty fast. Okay. That's pretty cool. Set up your tier tray. Oh, there you go. And then of course, my favorite candle. Oh, super cute. I feel like you do get your money's worth from it. I mean, it gives you several different things to kind of stage a couple of places of your home with. I can't speak to the longevity of the pieces because I just got them. Obviously, I'll keep you updated for sure. Do I think they're the highest quality? No, I think they're kind of mid-range, more in the range of Hobby Lobby. I feel like you can find a couple of these things at Hobby Lobby. Not that Hobby Lobby isn't quality. I just want to say that it just seems like fast decor, like fast fashion. It seems a little bit fast decor. Would I recommend it? It depends. It depends on if you do not like to go to the store to, you know, purchase all these things, or you get overwhelmed when you go to the store because there's so many choices. This is good because it's curated. It's all put together. All of these pieces match together, so you can't go wrong in that aspect. Is it worth the price? I don't know. And I think that's very subjective. It's subjective to you and your pocketbook. To me, would I buy this again? I don't know. I may have to get another box to figure out if it's worth the subscription or not. I'll keep you informed on that. I really don't want to make up my decision either way. I want to bring you guys some positive feedback. I also want to give you guys honest feedback as well. So my honest opinion right now is I don't know if it's worth the money yet. Stay tuned and I'll let you know. But here it is all together. Let me stage it for you and then we'll take some close-ups. Okay, so I wanted to tell you the subscription that I got. The subscription I got was the annual subscription, and it ships seasonally. So you get a spring decor box, a fall decor box, a summer, and a winter decor box. I paid $2.99 for this box, but listed down below will be a code where you can get a percentage off, and I'll list that down below. I think this is a very, very cute idea. I feel like it's something that I probably would have not bought for myself. No, I would have bought this for myself, and I would have bought this, but I don't necessarily know if I would have bought this or these or this sign. But it's very cute, and I like how it's curated and put together nicely, so I can put these decor pieces anywhere and they will all kind of correspond with each other. So I think that's kind of neat. I'll keep you posted since I did get a seasonal subscription, a 1-year seasonal subscription. I will definitely keep you updated, and we will do more unboxings as the seasons come and the boxes come. But again, I'll list all the information down in the description for you, and a link if you want to click on the link. It will be an affiliate link. That means that it's no cost to you, but I may get a small commission for it. I just signed up for an affiliate link so I could get you guys a code to use for your own subscription box, and we can decorate together with the same stuff. Guys, thanks for subscribing. And if you want to be notified next time I post once a week. So go ahead and hit that bell notification if you would like to be notified the next time I post. And comment down below which one you like. If you guys know me, you know it's going to be this and this. Those are my favorites. I hope you have an amazing day. Stay amazing, and I will link some more videos for you to watch and enjoy. So guys, bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.